Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update MoonPay app. So if you also want to update MoonPay app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So updating the MoonPay application is very simple and very important. If you update the MoonPay application, you'll be able to enjoy more benefits and latest features. Also, your application will become more secure and smoother. So in order to update the MoonPay application, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now over here what you have to do is search for MoonPay. After that you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the application for MoonPay. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once your application has been updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to find the option for open. That means your application has been updated and you're using the latest version of the application. So that is how you update MoonPay app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.